Hello and welcome to Paulton Park, the home of Peppa Pig World, but we're not here for Peppa today. We're here for something a bit special. My name's Matt, this is the Coaster Giant channel, and here's what's coming up in today's vlog. Paulton Park is a family-run theme park just outside of Southampton here in the UK. They kindly invited myself and a load of my friends down for the first ever theme park superfan event. Not only do we get to enjoy a whole day at the park, we also get behind the scenes tours on the rides, we get a buffet, we get a bar, we get a silent disco, and we get extra ride time in Tornado Springs, the newest area and one of the best themed areas in the UK. So, why has Paulton Park invited a load of theme park enthusiasts down to their park? Stick around to the end of the video to find out what they've got to announce to us. We're in, got a park map, loads of events going on today, all stuff with the animals and stuff going on around the park. And first up we're heading to Tornado Springs. So first up we're going on Storm Facer, which is definitely the best ride in the park, because Emma and Carl have never been on this before. Are you excited?
Very excited.
It's a good coaster this. So +1 for these guys, and also the disco coaster's open today. Oh, I can't see. The disco coaster is open today. I've never seen it open before, so that's going to be a +1 for me as well. CRT.
Yeah.
Nope.
Oh my god!
Whew. Forgot how good that coaster was. We weighted it right as well, so that me and Carl were on one side, all the weight on one side, and Emma was on the other side, and we span a lot on that. That was really good. So now we're going on a cyclonator.
Please take care.
So that's 3 rides down. We did cyclonator. Do you know what? It is a really good flat ride, and last time I did that I remember the restraints were really tight, so I kept them like pushed away from me a little bit, so I'd got a bit of room, and it was really enjoyable but very nauseating. But it was decent, and then we did Farmyard Fly because these guys hadn't got that one either. Fun little coasters, a little bit janky at the end. And next, very janky at the end, next run, Buffalo Falls. All the queues here have times, so you know how long you're going to be waiting. This says 15 minutes, but there's no one waiting on the stairs. And I remember these were a lot of fun last time. So we just got off Buffalo Falls, which is the best slides in the UK, and now we're going into Wildlands. So I never even looked at the animals last time I was here. Didn't have time. We've got loads of time today. So let's see what's cracking off. Oh, we've got meerkats. Somewhere. Oh, there we go. Oh, that is cute.
Oh, do you reckon it could rip your face off?
Yeah.
Look how cute he is. Oh.
Oh, yeah. This looks new. Like brand new, doesn't it? Mm.
Oh no.
Sneaking up on him. Okay, I never did this last time. Apparently it's a lot of fun, the dinosaur tour. So we're in the Lost Kingdom area of the park. We'll check out the new log flume in a little while. It's only a small one, but the theming looks incredible on it, so I'm excited to show you that. And now we're going on this little car ride. I didn't do this last time. So let's check it out. Everything is so well themed, like check all this out, like the floor, all the foliage. It's not just like normal little bushes, it's all like tropical looking. This is very cool.
You guys ever been on a dino safari before? Did you see that pair of coelophysis we just passed? They're real predatory dinosaurs with blade-like, finely serrated teeth. We better move on quick. Look over to the right, folks. That's the awesome Splash Lagoon.
That looks quite wet.
Dilophosaurus on the left is
These
looking
animatronics.
pretty angry. Watch out.
Oh no.
We're gonna take a trip on our boat safari where you can see more amazing dinos like that impressive Brachiosaurus decides to hop off the bonnet. They're folks 12 for all to see. Now, this is a very special place, as a couple of raptors have decided to nest in this old, disused tunnel.
Why is it wet?
Look to the left, in that recess, there's some eggs. Wow! Look, guys, that baby raptor's just hatching. This is incredible. A rare treat for all of us. Cute little fella, he ain't. Check him out.
Is he going to squirt me?
Wasn't expecting that. That's one mighty miffed dino. Let's get out of here. This means big lizard. He's not huge by other dinos.
Okay, it's time for flight of the pterosaur. That last one was so good. That was the best little car, like, tracked ride I've ever been on. There was animatronics, sound effects. The little Jeep was really well themed and making like car noises. I actually love that. Not as much as I'm going to love this though. So I'm going to do a new coaster now. Of course, this wasn't open last time. This is Edge. This is Zamperla Disco, same as Thor at Drayton Manor, a little bit older. With a very bright orange paint scheme. And behind here, behind these hedges, when we were on Cobra up there just, there's some building work started, so it's going to be interesting to see what they're doing behind there. Okay, let's check out Velociraptor, the family boomerang coaster. No wait, it's actually surprisingly quiet today. It is a Saturday, it's the middle of the month, but they've got an event on and it's the first day that the new log flume's open, so I am quite surprised it's this quiet, but I'm not complaining because the longest wait we've had so far is like 10 minutes. And it's just a really nice chill park.
There's some adventure. Prepare to experience. Your safety must
And now it's time for the main event, the brand new ride that's only opened today here at Paultons. They've got a new, nice little log flume that was just a building site last time we were here. Remember there was all fences around this, you couldn't see anything. It's got quite a big queue. I can see some animatronics as well. Let's go and check it out. So we were just walking past Splash Lagoon, the new log flume, which is looking incredible. Like look at this, first day this ride's open. It looks like it's always been here, the planting's amazing. There's animatronics everywhere. It is looking really cool. Yeah, we're walking past, there's a 15-minute wait. It's only just on the bridge, so it doesn't look too bad. I like how they've got a nice little viewing area at the bottom here as well. But yeah, this area looks so good.
Some good stuff.
So we just got off Splash Lagoon, the new little log flume. It's only one drop, it's quite little, so just a kid's one really. But the boat's really comfortable, there's loads of theming around there. There's 4 or 5 animatronics, one really big one as well, like really impressive, everything was moving, all of the eyes and everything. And the drop was good, and I got wet.
You get drenched.
Like I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but I'm really wet. But I needed it. For some reason it's really warm here today. It was supposed to rain, so none of us are dressed for a summer's day. what it's like being abroad. It's really humid.
Not quite. Talking about going over
Okay. It's about 15 degrees.
Oh, it's like the Bahamas.
Thanks.
out here.
It's 20 degrees. That's how high it was when I was in Salou, so back off. Right, we're going to go in and grab some food now. If you do come to Paultons and want a drink, as in like a pint, you can have one, but you have to buy it with a meal.
Well, you can have 10.
In Tornado Springs. I could eat 10 burgers for 10 pints. But yeah, so we're heading back over to Tornado Springs now. So we've checked into the event, we've got our stickers, our super fan, and that means that Route 83 is now our bar. Cheers everyone. Cheers. Cheers. £5 a pint as well, that's not bad, and it was only £5.50 for a vodka and coke. So I know what I'll be drinking later.
The energy lamp here, there's a
That's because kids fall over, they used to be in like up all the time.
So we've checked into the event, we've had a pint, we've had some food. We had a little sandwich. I'm not talking to you. And now a massive group of us are heading over. So the first thing we get on the event is a behind the scenes tour. We could have had Storm Chaser, Cobra or Flight of the Pterosaur, and we've chosen Flight of the Pterosaur because mainly there was loads of people on the Storm Chaser one. Like loads of people. So we're going to get, I guess, into the ride area and see how it all works. Here we go, this is the Vekoma suspended family coaster. I don't get this because this is like old and it looks brand new. Like check out the wheels and how clean it all is. They look after the ride so well here. And then we're just allowed to walk out like where the train usually goes.
She's just gradually building herself up 5 minutes at a time. I don't.
If you monkey bar it, you can get right over there.
You reckon you could monkey bar that?
Give it a go.
Those coronation schemes.
What? So we're in the control booth. This is what the ride ups see.
Just to tell you that someone's gone out to the heat. We can go into dispatch conditions and this will tell us why the ride's not running. So basically everything is red, so at the moment we can see dispatch possible is in red, so it's not allowing us to do this. The train is not ready for dispatch. All the entrance gates are not.
It is such a lovely evening here at Paulton Park, very noisy Tornado Springs. So tonight we have got now an hour and a half extra ride time on Storm Chaser, Cyclonator and Buffalo Falls and the Drop Tower. I'm not sure what that's called. We've also got buffet, we've got a bar that's open in the restaurant, and it's just for all the people that have been invited. We just finished our behind the scenes tour and it was really interesting. We got to go all around the ride area as you've just seen, and at the end he talks us through how the control panel works, which again was so interesting. I've never actually seen anything like that, so that was a lot of fun. Time to tuck into the buffet. Got quite a good choice going on here. So we're going to eat this, and then we've got a little talk from the park as well. They're going to tell us a little bit about the future. So we're all really looking forward to it and hoping that we get like a new ride announcement soon.
Is our new ride for 2025, opening May next year. So what is Ghostly Manor? So Ghostly Manor is our new immersive indoor attraction set to open in May 2025. This thrilling ride follows the adventures of Dr. Kinley, a renowned ghost hunter. Currently, Dr. Kinley is in the North Pole on a quest to find the elusive ice ghost. In his absence, he has invited guests to explore his manor, which houses a unique exhibition of apparitions and haunted artifacts. However, during your visit, many of the ghosts that Dr. Kinley has captured over the years have escaped. He urgently needs your help to recapture them. Armed with groundbreaking phantom phaser, you will need to shoot the ghosts lurking throughout the manor to secure them once more. But keep an eye out for OG, the most fearsome ghost in the manor. Recapturing him will require all your skill and teamwork. And in fact, I think we've got an incoming transmission from Dr. Kinley himself. And it's open. Make sure you go to ghostlymanor.co.uk, sign up for the latest updates. But don't worry, we do have a little bit more to share on Ghostly Manor, including what exactly is the ride experience. So, as many of you know, this will be located inside the 4D Cinema building. The ride itself is a turntable with 5 sections, 5 ride carriages, and 4 people sat back to back. As you move through the ride, you will be spun and twisted into different scenes, a mixture of physical and digital sets, themed up into Ghostly Manor. And of course, the aim of the game will be to capture all the ghosts. These are some example scenes. Don't take these as exactly what's going to be in the manor, but just still some work to do on them as it stands. However, obviously, aim of the game, accumulate a score which can be viewed at the exit of the ride by shooting the ghosts and capturing them. We've made sure to have a hybrid of physical content and digital content, so that it's not all screens inside the ride. However, the digital content will be on 10-metre wide screens, so you're going to be very immersed and you're going to be quite close to them. So we're very excited about this. As I said, not something we've done before, but something I know a lot of you have been suggesting that we might want to do. And the 4D Cinema being retired is a perfect opportunity. We're lucky to have found the right ride system to go into that by about 15 centimetres. And we're really looking forward to opening it. But a lot of work to still be done on this, but we're hoping to install the ride at the end of the year, ready for testing and commissioning to get it ready for guests in May 2025. Of course, we're not going to be leaving the 4D Cinema external as it is, so this will be having the normal Paultons touch. And the front, this is a plan view, so won't be answering any questions on this one.
As well as announcing that new dark ride for 2025, the park then gave us that teaser of what's to come in 2026. Now it definitely looks like it's Vikings themed, and although I wasn't in the best place to record the screen, it was basically a wooden frame with some steel work in the middle saying Paulton Park that was turned upside down, and then it changed to red. So there's a massive hint that maybe a roller coaster with the first inversion that the park has ever had could be coming in 2026. And the wood, the steel, the red steel, what could that mean? What kind of coaster do you think that's going to be? Let me know in the comments below. So following on from them very interesting talks and that little teaser at the end, we headed back into the Route 83 diner. We had a few more beers, maybe a few more vodkas, and yeah, I got my headphones on and did some dad dancing. I just want to say thanks very much to the park for inviting me down. It was an absolutely amazing event. I love the fact that they're now really interacting with theme park fans. Obviously want everybody on side and everyone talking about Paulton Park as it moves into its next era of developments. And yeah, fingers crossed that includes an inverting roller coaster. That will be a great addition to their lineup. Thanks very much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.